Carich Cool Algal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste prevents dental caries, sweetens your breath, whites teeth, and relieves sensitive gums. It is a new choice of oral health. Over half a century of numerous studies have strongly confirmed that toothpaste with fluoride is effective in preventing dental caries, but consequently, the patients with dental fluorosis is on the rise. Carich explores the deep realm of the sea and extracts the essence of seaweed in the deep sea. This magical natural energy makes Carich Cool Algal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. It effectively prevents caries, removes plaque, and maintains oral health. It also adds unique dipotassium glycyrrhizinate, which roots in natural licorice. It has the effect of detoxification, anti-inflammatory, and anti-allergy, taking care of gingival health. The high-end cleaning abrasive is added into it to clean teeth and repair enamel. Green tea essence is extracted for it. With peppermint ingredients, it is cool and refreshing, keeps your breath fresh, and makes you be confident all the time. Now, let's look at a group of experiments. 1. Fluorescent agent experiment. Carich Cool Algal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste is free from brighters such as fluorescer and decolorizer. It is extracted from seaweed at deep sea with health and environmental protection. 2. Polishing experiment. Carich Cool Algal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste contains seaweed active ingredient sodium alginate. Effectively cleans the tartar, dental calculus, and plaque adsorbed on the tooth surface. 3. Foam test. With delicate foam, Carich Cool Algal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste deeply cleans teeth, makes fine matter cleaner, and is even less harmful to enamel. The excellent seaweed with cool mint, lip and tooth fragrance convoys for you. Carich Cool Algal Fluoride-Free Toothpaste absorbs essence of seaweed, grows energy of nature, and takes full care of your oral health.